Drain right now. Your Lake Simcoe Cottage Water Solutions Specialists. If you live on Lake Simcoe, we would like to introduce what we consider to be the most reliable 4-season cottage lake water filter system available today. First introduced in 2004, the system provides unlimited filtered lake water and never needs servicing. Installation can be done in as little as a day, depending on terrain and distance to the river or lake. The lake water filter intake system works with both jet pumps and submersible pumps. It provides unlimited filtered lake water, and is designed to be left in the lake year-round. The heart of the system is the lake water intake tube. From a distance, it looks solid. But a closer look reveals that it has hundreds of thin laser-cut lines over its full length. When the system is installed in your lake or river, and the pump comes on, water is drawn through the tube gently over the full length of it. This filters out the dirt and debris, and when the pump shuts off, the dirt and debris fall away. This means you maintain the same water flow capacity year-round. The system is lightweight, strong and easily handled by one person. Install it and forget it. The system does not require any service. Another advantage is, a submersible pump can be installed or removed from the system in seconds. It only involves loosening one clamp. It is eco-friendly. There are no filters to replace. It is a one-time upgrade. The system pays for itself since there are no ongoing costs to service. It is the only cottage lake water intake filter system that you will ever need. For more information, call or text. Drain right now. Your Cottage Water Solutions Specialists at 705-309-0758. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.